Regardless of which mode you're in, there are some features which work the same way throughout.
For example, a quick menu, or simply menu on the 0SL, allows you to access popular MIDI controls and settings. So regardless of whether I'm using the SL to control Live's mixer, using the special Live template in advanced mode, or using the SL in automat mode to control a plugin, hitting quick menu puts the SL into a mode where you can change the bank and program of the synth you're controlling using any of the controls below that option on screen. And for SLs with keys, transpose the keyboard up and down, or set its MIDI channel. You can also see the tempo settings here, which set how many beats per minute the clock is running at. If you set your software to sync to this clock, then you can adjust the timing of your session by rotating the encoder here. Or you can go to the tempo page and use the Tap Tempo button to beat out a particular tempo. The Transport button here is another global control. Whether in Automap or Advanced mode, pressing it activates Transport functionality across this last row of assignable buttons. This allows you the choice of whether you have transport controls or not. Activating the button in Automap mode allows you full control of a DAW's transport, even before it has been set up for Automap. Deactivating it means that the buttons no longer control the transport, but are like a normal row of assignable controls instead. Lastly, the Global Edit mode is the one for viewing and changing the overall controller settings across all templates and modes. Pressing the Global button calls up a series of page options on screen for editing generic settings like memory protect, routing of data to and from the controller, setting up of global keyboard zones, and calibration of controls such as the drum pads. In the Options menu here, you'll also find a setting for turning off Touch Select on touch-sensitive controls, which may be a preferred method of working. This means that only the row select buttons can be used to call up a row on the LCD screen, or the Preview button on the 0SL.